Welcome to our guide on how to disable post notifications on Instagram from your PC following the latest update. If you're looking to declutter your notifications, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left bottom corner of the screen. Here you'll find the More icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking the More icon, a menu will pop up. From this menu, choose Settings. This is where you'll be able to customize your Instagram experience. Now, under the Settings menu, locate the Notifications option and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of notification options available for your account. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section allows you to manage how Instagram communicates with you about various activities, including posts and reels. Finally, to disable post notifications specifically for recently uploaded reels, look for the option that says Recently Uploaded Reels. Simply click the toggle next to it to turn it off. This will ensure you won't receive notifications whenever new reels are uploaded. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the post notifications on Instagram from your PC. Remember, you can return to these settings at any time if you change your mind and want to enable them again. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.